Hi guys, on today's video I want to show you how I make my strawberry jam or mermelada de fresa. So let's start. So we're gonna need 1 pound of strawberries, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and 1 cup of sugar. So let's start making it. So we're gonna remove the bottom part, the stem, and we're gonna cut them. I'm gonna cut them in 4 pieces. Also, if you see a part that is a little bad, that's when you can remove it. I'm gonna remove this from the side, and this is what you want to have. That's your pan. I'm gonna have my sugar, my 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. So now let's go to the stove and cook this jam. I'm gonna put our heat to high, and I'm gonna add the strawberries in here, and I put the wrong one. There you go. I'm gonna add the strawberries. We're gonna add the cup of sugar. We're gonna add the lemon juice. And we're gonna let it simmer here for a few minutes. I don't know if you guys can hear, that's getting hot. And what we want is, we want the juices from the strawberry to come out. I don't know if you guys can see this. That's how the strawberry is made. See? The jam, I mean. As you can see, it keeps getting more soft, and we keep getting more juice from the strawberries. What I like to do in a few more minutes, I like to smash the strawberries a little more. Alright, now I'm gonna reduce my heat to low. And I'm gonna try to smash my strawberries. Just so we don't have 2 big pieces of strawberries in the jam. My strawberry is ready. You can see it. Right now it's a little runny because of course it's hot. So I'm gonna let it cool down for a few minutes, and then we're gonna put it in a jar. I want to show you this, like it gets this foam on the top. So I like to remove it because once that we put it in the fridge, it gets like white. So it doesn't look really good on the jam. I just like to remove it before I put it in the jar. I got my jam, and this is what 1 pound strawberries get you. It's about 16 ounces, and it's, I think, 2 cups. Yes, 2 cups of strawberry jam. So it's still a little warm, but you can see it's starting to look less like jam. It's not runny, and the more cold it gets, it's gonna get more thick. So I'm gonna show you the difference between a homemade and the store-bought. All right. So let me know, guys, which one do you prefer? I didn't put anything in this, just the strawberries, sugar, and the lemon juice. And this is the store one. It looks darker. I don't know why, but this one looks better. So I'm gonna test it and see which one is better. This one's really good. Definitely this one. And this one tastes like super sweet, but it doesn't taste like strawberries. And this one has the strawberry flavor. So please, guys, let me know if you like my recipe. Let me know if in the comments, and please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.